Hi, this is Boatshed Thames aboard Linssen 37. We're standing forward, and here is a very large dining table. To the starboard side, the galley with good preparation areas, hob, combi microwave and oven and fridge. Going to the port side is the first head, and then walking backwards up into the saloon, where there's a further seating area and a table. And again, turning to the port side, we have the lower helm. Turning aft, we have stairs up to the aft deck, and then stairs down to the aft cabin. Here there is a large double on the port side. Stepping to the starboard side with a sliding door, there is good space saving. These are generous heads with a full size shower and toilet, wash hand basin. For a full set of specifications and photographs, go to www.boatshedthames.com.